Hey guys, welcome to part 3. This is just an improvement of part 2. No more waiting, let's get started. Let's now continue. If you remember the part 2, the last part, we buy the scaling tool, and now let's buy the paintbrush. By the way, thank you to someone who donated 1000 gold to me. Thank you, but there's no need to donate to me. I'm happy that I can help you guys. Now that we get the paintbrush, now load the away from keyboard farm from part 2. Now go here and erase everything. Now place plastic or buy some at the shop. Now place one block as a stand, and then place another one above it, and make sure to turn off the anchor and merging here. Now use the scaling tool and input it to 0. After that, extend it. I don't know the exact measurements, but it always works if you make it a lot longer, or just copy what I do if you're not sure. Now make it a little wider, as wide a portal entryway or a player. Now place a wall on both sides. Now make all the walls collide to the plastic floor. Now increase the height and the length. It's okay if it's thin, because it still has the property of a normal block. We only need the wall to stop the player from falling. Now for the other side. Now place one portal here. Now make another wall blocking the portal. Remember to collide it. Now let's block the portal. Now place a plastic. Make it thin too, and wider. We gotta make it wider later. For now, do what I do. This is optional, but this will catch you if you somehow teleported in the wrong place. Just do what I do if you want to. Always remember to collide it to the floor. If you want to skip to 336. So you didn't skip, nice. A lot people skip this, even my friends. Lol, this gonna be boring for a while. Here's some facts, or not, I don't know, just tell me if I'm wrong. Did you know not only oily food make you gain fat, sugar too can make you gain fat, even worse. I have a lot of facts, but it's too disturbing, and it's finally 3:36, so see you later guys. We will adjust this later. For now, add a jet here. By the way, this is 9 minutes video, is 1 hour and 30 minutes recording, and 11 hours of edit if resting is not included. Remember to save your progress. Now let's put a portal at the chest. I forgot to record, but place a portal here. And paint the same color to this too. And paint this portal with a different color, or just copy me. I choose red. Now let's continue. First place a stand, then put a rocket above it. And another one facing the opposite. This will make it a lot faster. After that, place a pilot seat above it facing the spawn. Then add another rocket on the back of the pilot seat. Now use the car seat that we use in part 2. And then place a chair and a portal above it. Or just put the portal on the car seat. After that, remember to save your progress. Now let's make a way to that portal. Place a portal facing sideways or frontier in white team. I recommend to put it inside, because a lot of people like the white team a lot somehow, so it's always occupied. Paint the 2 portal with the same color, by the way. Now place a chair. After that, place a block on your head, then extend it your back until 32 blocks, or 64 studs. Remember to save your progress. After that, place a block on the end like this. I forgot to put the other jet long. Adjust the portal so it is in front of the chair. Now you're done. Remember to save your progress. Repaint the 2. Now let's put the portal on the end. Destroy the stand of the jet. Then sit at the portal and put a glue like this. After that, destroy the stand and the chair. Also make the portal and the glue unanchored. Now go to the jet and fly at the end. Turn the jet above to off so it will go fast. Prepared the property tool. Try to dodge some of the flying obstacles. I really appreciate if you press the like button. Thank you. Now, stop by anchoring and make the jet above to 25 or slower speed, then activate it to have more control, and stop here. Now put the portal facing away like this. Then anchor it and press the glue. Now sit at the chair and paint the portal the same as the other one, or just copy what I used. I chose red. Now delete the chair and put the glue like that. Enter the portal and make the portal above the chest. After that, you are sure the portal is above the chest. Anchor it. Then press the glue to escape. Load the long plastic thing. And then increase the wide and the length of it like I do. Also put a pilot seat there. Remember to save. Test if the portal from the end works. Now fly the long plastic thing, or whatever you want to call it. Big pink sausage. Now sit at the pilot seat and destroy the stand. Now fly, and if you watched the part 2, you probably already know what stage we gonna anchor this. Prepare the property tool. Now anchor it and change the speed to slow or 25. Then unanchor and anchor. Now destroy the pilot seat. Turn on the switch. Now try it. You will get 52 gold jet, 1 gold block, which is the strongest block. For people who watch part 2, you can also get 62 gold. I don't know, I never tried it, lol. 3-minute time lapse. This is our last journey. I hope I help you guys. Leave a like and subscribe, it will help me a lot. Comment below what kind of content you want to get. I'm gonna make a playlist of Roblox so you guys can easily look all the Roblox content. Look at the money. This is just 3 minutes. Goodbye guys, stay safe, see you in my next video.